There's a home on Lake Sebago that opens to Jordan Bay. That is big, that is beautiful, and simply stands out from the crowd in a way that makes my heart race. Hi, I'm Laura Sosnowski of Maine Home Connection. Imagine 3 stories of stunning waterfront panoramas, dramatic architectural design, and impeccable attention to detail, yet all within an easy reach of the greater Portland metro area. From the moment you first enter, you feel at ease. You are surrounded by brightness, warmth, and a sense of calm. I know I could live here and absolutely love it. The master bedroom is its own private retreat with hardwood floors, a vaulted sitting area overlooking the water, a fireplace, and an ensuite with an oversized soaking tub that you'll never want to leave. The lower level features a curved staircase and walls, high ceilings, large windows, and its own separate bar area, while again affording inspiring views. In the kitchen, you'll find high-end appliances, ample cherry cabinets and counter space, and access to a wraparound deck that leads to the backyard and waterfront. And did I mention there's a separate guest quarters, complete with a private bath and kitchen, matching the primary residence in style and quality. The backyard is all about the waterfront, 200 feet of frontage with a southeasterly view, 2 docks, crystal clear water, a large deck at the water's edge. Honestly, can it get any better? Stunning is the word that keeps coming to mind. Look up and you see it all, and you look out and you see even more. The quality, the craftsmanship, the scale, the amenities are first class and unsurpassed. Overall, contemporary design never felt so inviting and at the same time sophisticated. 57 Andersen Road is at the heart of the Sebago Lakes region, in the heart of Maine. I would love to show you this magnificent home. Call me directly or visit our website, mainehomeconnection.com, for more information. I want to show you the sunrise, the sunset, and something special. Until next time, I'm Laura Sosnowski, and I invite you to imagine more.